If you need to replace your windshield wiper motor on your 1988 to 1998 Chevy or GMC pickup, this video is for you. Includes a time-saving workaround. This job takes approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Here is your tool and parts list. Remove the electrical connector safety pin. Remove the electrical connector. Remove the three 10mm mounting bolts. Mark the windshield wiper placement on the windshield with a piece of tape. Using a screwdriver to hold the arm in place, break the nut loose with a 13mm wrench. Remove the nut. Pry the pressed arm free. Now we need to plug in and set the stop position of the new wiper motor. Turn your key on, turn the wiper motor on, let it run for a moment, shut it off, and wait for it to stop. Note arm placement before removing. Remove the arm on the new wiper motor. Install the new wiper motor to the old arm and install the nut. Before torquing this nut down, check wiper arm alignment. Lightly tighten the nut so it does not move when you check the alignment, in case you have to readjust it. Check wiper alignment. Using a pair of channel locks to hold the arm in place, tighten the nut. Reinstall wiper motor. Thank you for watching.